Hi guys, welcome to Marita Vernier's channel and welcome to the maritavernier.com blog. That's actually where we are now, and you are watching lesson 3 of the 4-part video series. Now unfortunately I can't do the little webcam window. My webcam seems to have malfunctioned today, but I'm gonna sort that out for lesson 4 hopefully. But either way, just to let you know, the most important thing is that you are able to get some good ideas today on blog post ideas for your affiliate marketing website, which you should have more of an understanding on and a grasp on now that you've watched the first couple of videos. Now, if you haven't for any reason gone through the first few videos of this series, then just go back. Click the link above. There should be a little information link that appears now. Go to that link above, click there, and you'll go to the very first introduction video. If you don't want to do that, then the other option is for you to head down to the link below so that you can just watch all of the videos at once, which I highly recommend. So you can sign up at maritavernier.com/start here, and the URL should appear for you right here at this moment across the screen. You can go down into the description area, click that link, it will open up a page for you to sign in, and there you have it. Okay, so let's get on with this. Now, where we are now, we are at the maritavernier.com blog, and just gives you an idea of some of the information that I have available to you. This is my blog as I've set it up, Digital Product Payday. I am all about digital products, whether it be courses, ebooks, live webinars, videos, anything to do with creating content and then giving people value through that content. Then I'm just, yeah, I'm all about it really. I think it's the best way for people to learn at their own pace and at their leisure, and then they can actually implement the information step by step, which is how I've taught myself, mostly DIY. So I've gone into that area of business, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you how to do. And then obviously you can branch off in any direction you want to, but it's always good to have this as a skill. Now, Get Passive with Marie here is actually where you'd find a lot of the products that I have for sale. So those are where my courses and ebooks are. There are a few on there now, and I'm updating the rest over the course of 2020. Where we are now is the blog. You can start your own blog here, so it's just another format, and I'm actually adding another guide which will come up somewhere here. Probably by the time you log in, there'll be another guide on this menu, which is actually the ultimate guide to making money online. So that's another way for you to understand exactly how affiliate marketing works, and how it's helped me for my lifestyle and in my business. Okay, so we're going to talk today about blog posts, and these are just some of the blog posts that are available. How to make money on Amazon affiliates, how to write a book in less than 24 hours. Yes, that is actually possible. An ebook probably in 24 hours, might take you a week to do something a bit larger, but the technique is fantastic, and also works for your blog posts as well. So if you do log into the blog, this is a good one for you to watch and take note of. I've also done a review of Wealthy Affiliate, and I'm very honest in my review. So if you want to check that out, by all means, please do so. But this just sort of gives you an idea of the type of things that you can talk about on your blog if you have a digital marketing or make money online blog. And I'm going to give you some more ideas today. There are endless amounts of ideas that you can look into, and I'm actually going to give you a tip. So if you stay tuned, there is a website that will give you all the keywords available that are being searched online. And no, it's not Google. It breaks it down in so many different categories. You'll be overwhelmed with how much information there is on there, but you'll never run out of blog post ideas. And that is the main key to being successful online, is being able to make constant amount of content. So I'm going to show you that in a minute, and we are going to move on now to some of the sort of popular blog post ideas that you can implement on your blog. Okay, so let's talk about reviews. Now, reviews can come in the form of Canva versus Photoshop. So if you're not aware of what Canva is, there's a link below for you to check out what Canva is all about. And it's the way that someone like myself, who has absolutely no product design or I really don't have a design eye, or at least I didn't think I did until I got onto Canva. I had considered Photoshop many times and just thought it was a little bit too technical for me. So you can do a review if you're aware of both, or you might want to actually just go over the products and services so that you can do a review. But obviously what you may be doing is you might be kind of steering people into one over the other because you're more familiar with it or you've had more success with it, and that's absolutely fine to do, but you're also leaving it open for people to make their own decisions. So reviews of services or software are absolutely fine for you to do. There's a Fiverr review. I work off of Fiverr. I actually, not only do I sell my courses via Udemy, which brings in constant passive income. I create the course once, I put it online, and it sells all throughout, the days, months, weeks, whatever. But I also create courses for clients bespoke. So if they want a course, they can contact me via Fiverr. They can get the service at a slightly reduced rate than having gone through my website directly, and I will create whatever course they want me to create, and you do get a lot of different requests, and which is great because I'm always learning. So I can do a review on just Fiverr's platform as a whole, how it's worked for me, what I found out, is there anything I would improve, why do I still use it, and just talk about the platform as a whole, and then give people your affiliate link so that they too can experience Fiverr for themselves. You can do a product review. Product reviews are great. Simple one. It might be the light system. I actually use a ring light to do most of my recordings that are face to face. I've just bought a new one actually, so I'm going to put a link to that down below. And one of the great things about it is it's got these two little antennas which have these lights on them that actually are perfect. That you can move them exactly where you want, so that the subject that you're trying to focus on, usually me, is lit perfectly. It's got a kind of remote control, so I can use Bluetooth to take pictures or to turn the device on or off, and then it's got a phone holder which is in the perfect position for me to record, whether for YouTube or for Instagram, whatever that might be. So as a product review, I would talk about the ones that I've used before, and now having experienced this one, what do I like, what have I experienced so far, would I recommend it, how much is it, what are the pros and cons, that sort of thing. So now that you have an idea of the type of reviews that you can do, let's go on to the next one. Right, so the next one we're going to go over is listicles, and the reason why it's called that is because they come in all different forms, shapes, sizes, and everyone loves a list. This is probably one that is the most shared online via social media, because everyone loves a list. It breaks down everything really easily. Everyone loves, the list of either 1 to 10 or just bullet points, and it just kind of gives an overview of the information that someone requires. So you can do things like top 10 areas to live in London, 7 reasons to join WA, which is Wealthy Affiliate, 5 easy ways to make money online. So you might want to discuss the things that you found out as you've been working online, 10 businesses to start from home, or the top 10 businesses to start from home, if that's your market, or the 15 top earning blogs. So you might want to actually list different blogs that are making a lot of money and give examples on what they're doing well, why they're making so much money, how long they've been in business, and you just give people information. And not only is this good for your website in terms of traffic, because these are the things that people are searching for, but it also gives you some notoriety in the game, because you can let some of the brands know, or even the blogs know, that you've spoken about them on your blog, and maybe they might want to share it with their audience, which most likely is 10 times bigger than your own, which is going to bring you lots and lots of traffic, and traffic equals sales equals income. So it's great to have a list, and I do quite a few of these, and they are some of the best performing on my blog, and I don't think anyone else would say any different. So definitely consider these, and the list also for this is endless, you can imagine, but I do like to always do an odd number. Can't remember why odd numbers are better than even, but I kind of stick with odd numbers most of the time, unless it is a top 10. Okay, so, and on to the next one. Okay guys, last but not least, we are going to talk about how-tos. Now this is probably one of my favorite, and I think it is because I write ebooks and because I do courses, which give people a step-by-step on how to do something, very similar to this 4-part video series. It's teaching you obviously how to start your own affiliate business. I like to help people. I think that is my calling, and in terms of how-tos, you can always teach somebody how to do something. In fact, I think it's one of the most searched terms in Google, and I'll show you in a minute on that website that I mentioned at the beginning. How-tos are searched for the most. Everyone wants to know how to do something, and it can be some of the most craziest how-tos. I know personally, and if you think of your own searches in Google, we're always searching for how to do something, even if it's something simple around the house, to you know, how to fix your washing machine, how to you know, descale your kettle, how to use a certain appliance, how to how to find the perfect car in your area. People are searching for so many things, and you can be the one to provide the step-by-step guide to help them in that very area. And if you then are giving them a reason to purchase from you, because they trust your information, especially if they've used the information and it's worked out perfectly for them, they're going to share your information. They're going to come back to you. If your blog comes back up into the search engine, they're going to hit on, even if you're 5, 10, 20 down on the search, they're probably going to be mindful of you and be coming back to you to give you that to give you that boost of traffic, because you've answered their question once before. So how-tos are a great way to connect with your audience online, and yeah, I definitely would put that in my sort of top 3 ways to kind of boost traffic on a blog. So definitely consider it. How to write a blog, how to start a YouTube channel, how to make filter coffee, how to use Instagram, how to build a wardrobe. The list is literally endless. Now let's head over to that website and have a look and see what tips and tricks I can give you. It's pretty special. Guys, no, you're not seeing things. This is the website, and it's called answerthepublic.com, and it has been a gem for me in terms of finding search terms that you, myself, whoever has actually put into Google or any search engine, Bing, whatever it might be, and are searching for how-tos, listicles, reviews. This basically has collated all the information, and this guy, well, I guess he's waiting for us to do something. So let's do a quick search. So let's just say, for my own benefit, we do make money online, or how to make money online, and get questions. That's all you have to do, just click on that. Now I believe with this you can only do 1 search per day, and it is actually giving you the information here. So let's scroll down, and what it's doing, if you can see this chart here, it's just giving you a breakdown, and it does it by visualization. So that's what this one's called the visualization chart, and you can actually save it as an image. There's a spot over here to save it as an image, so let me just show you that there, if you can see this here. But the actual chart itself, you're looking at, so where and how to make money online, where to make money online in Nigeria, where to make money online for real, where to make money online for free. So we're looking at here, where to make money online in Kenya, where to earn money online without investment. So these are things that people are searching for. And just to give you a better idea of how brilliant this is, you've got prepositions here. So for, is, can, near, without, to. You've got comparisons. So how to make money online with Google for free over here. So someone search for that. And then you've got alphabetical. So it actually gives you the A, B and C and breaks it down. So casino in C's, business in B's, as a teen, as a teenager, Amazon, as a woman. So it breaks it down by the actual keywords as a whole. And it just keeps going. And you can save these all as images so that you do not have to do the search again. You save them and you come back to them, and you make all the content that you can think of. So this is related: how to make money online from home, how to make money online for free UK, how to make money online UK 2019. So you might want to look for 2020 for that, and see if that's available to you. And I'm going to put the link below just in case you forget. It's answerthepublic.com. So that should come up on the screen, but you'll also get that in the links below in the description. As I said before, if you haven't signed up for the 4-part video series, then head over to the links below. It's the first link that you'll see in the description. Sign up there and you'll get all 4 videos. You'll also get a load of bonuses that will come straight to your inbox from me, where I will be sharing all the things that I have done, and the kind of quicker route to making money without making a lot of the mistakes that I did initially. Second of all, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.